Hello, people. I'm about to review what is perhaps my personal favorite movie in a long time. I mean, the movie Three Idiots. There are very few films that supersede the book that they are based on. I mean, most often the movie adaptation of a book is like, for instance, by the same author, like, of course, Two States is again, it was adapted into a movie which was really good. I mean, but before that, Hello, it was based on One Night at the Call Center. So I will choose not to give my opinion there. But see, I'm noting it down so that I should not forget to review this film also. One Night at the Call Center. Okay. So, Three Idiots, the film, yeah, I mean, Rajkumar Hirani, yeah, that's all. The review ends here. I mean, you don't need to. Any film by Rajkumar Hirani is right from the story to the message to the music to the casting. My God. And for that reason, I'm so proud that this particular, my little blog or whatever, like blog is called Half Sindhi Little Mallu, because I'm so proud that this gentleman is a Sindhi. Oh my God. Like really. And his surname is Hirani. My mom's surname was Meerani. So, yeah, I'm related to Rajkumar Hirani. Okay, whatever. So that's what, yeah. And Amir Khan, Madhavan, these all these actors, wow, just wow. So again, a film with 7-star rating, and there's this particular the scene of Sharman Joshi, who's at an interview. Every time I watch this scene, I tear up. So that is the power of good cinema. That it has this very transporting effect. So, I mean, this particular film, I really don't know what to really concentrate on and say, oh my God, the story was awesome, or the music was great, or because it was all in all the entire package. Yeah, and Bomman Irani, oh my God, a powerhouse of talent. So, 7-star rating, people. This I would say is among the top 10 films that everyone should watch before they die, before they kick the bucket. So, on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.